Yung Almoranas na nakalabas.
What's wrong?
Ate, umupo ka ng Marnano. Talk to your wife.
Yeah. When do you go back to your home?
I don't know.
Do you go back to the BGC?
So soon, yeah.
Maybe soon. You don't like to join us to go to the Christmas tree? No, I'm Boston. Tell me if you want to go home, okay? And if you want to stay, if you're happy.
Did you know it? Clap your hands.
Oh, it's
Take
raining.
medicine.
Hit me.
Take medicine. It's rainy. Hey, take medicine because you have a scratch. Scratch balls.
What? Antare. What can you say
You
about
like
her?
this? You like this? Oh, you have rosary.
Manalangin ka muna, te.
Yes. Take care of that. Ah, you like it?
Sautan mo daw. Wow, so sweet. Ay, bagay sa kanya, no? Sobrang puti niya kasi.
Wow.
You're handsome. Very, very handsome. You know what's the meaning of this?
My connection doesn't work. Want to see my Philippines tattoo?
Oh.
Huh?
Have you been in Baguio? Bali.
How about this little po?
Have you been in Baguio?
No.
You go there. It's nice.
I leave tomorrow.
I will go Baguio.
I'm only
When?
in Cebu.
Yes, tomorrow I don't go.
Are you going Baguio?
Yes, my friend is inviting me on Baguio.
Oh,
so
sayang.
I
I don't
Is
care.
that true or false?
Suot mo sa live mo yung jersey, ah. Nautos. Wow, ang dami namang gift ni Miss Catering. Ay, ang ganda.
You like it? This is for you and this for me. Black and white.
Is this for me?
Oo. One on one. This is for me. You like?
Uy, lumalabas. Ang ganda. Bagay na bagay sa'yo, te.
Sampo! Sampo! Nag-isa tayo dito, Mari.
May mga, mag-shoutout muna yung mga kasama nating K-pop. Mga Blackpink in the area. Ayan na. Bye, we're going home.
You're going home?
We're going to... Bye-bye.
We're going home.
Sauna.
Take care. I love you. How about you? Are you going home later part?
I don't know.
Stay. I will go to the Ferris wheel. You like it? You're not scared? Oh, me I'm scared.
It's raining.
This is raining.
It's raining in Manila, so we have to go. Uwi na kami, magji-gym pa kami. Bye-bye.
Thank you for
Magsa-sauna pa kami. Ano yung sama? We're going sauna.
We're going to sauna. You wanna join?
Sana?
Yeah.